In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sales tax to a Jotform product. This is a straightforward process that can enhance your form's accuracy and ensure compliance with local sales tax laws. If you've ever wondered how to automate sales tax calculations directly within your Jotform setup, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring each step is clear and easy to apply. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Jotform account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific form where you'd like to add the sales tax. This could be a form you've previously created or a brand new one depending on your needs. Once you've opened the form, look for the Form Builder interface. This is where all the magic happens. Next, make sure your form already has a product list or a payment widget included. This element is crucial as it directly associates with where your sales tax will be applied. If you haven't yet added a product list or payment widget, you'll need to do so now to proceed with adding sales tax. Once your product list or payment widget is ready, the next step is to dive into the options or settings section. Depending on the version or updates in Jotform, this might look slightly different, but it usually involves a settings gear icon or similar indication. Go ahead and click on that, and it will open up an array of choices available for customizing your form's behavior and appearance. Now within these settings, you'll find an option to enable sales tax. This might be a checkbox or a toggle switch labeled Add Sales Tax or something similar. Switch this on. This feature is designed to help users easily incorporate local sales taxes applicable to their products, making it incredibly convenient for ensuring compliance and accurate billing. After enabling the sales tax feature, you'll see a field where you can enter the applicable tax rate. It's important to insert the correct percentage here, as this rate will automatically calculate the sales tax on the total amount of products purchased by users filling out your form. Remember, this rate should reflect the local sales tax pertinent to where your business operates or where supply is being catered. Once you've entered the appropriate percentage for your sales tax, don't forget to hit the Save button. This step ensures that all the changes you've made, including the sales tax configuration, are properly recorded and applied to your form. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added sales tax automation to your Jotform setup. This will simplify the process for both you and your customers, streamlining billing and keeping everything transparent and efficient. Be sure to review your form and test it out to confirm that all settings